How to report the sale of rental property on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, you want to gather all the required documents such as closing statement, original purchase price and closing cost, depreciation records and capital improvements. Once you have done that, you want to open TurboTax and log into your account. Now open or continue your return. Now navigate to the rentals section. For that, click on the search icon and search for rentals. Then select the link. Now answer yes for the question, did you have any income from rentals or royalties? Follow the on-screen prompts and enter all the details such as sale price, original purchase price, depreciation taken, selling expenses, improvements. After this, TurboTax will automatically calculate capital gains or losses based on your inputs. If you own the rental for over a year, the gain is taxed at long-term capital gains rate. Now, TurboTax will show a summary of profit or loss from your sale, review all the calculations properly, then file electronically or print or mail your return. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.